آماده ای؟ 1 2 3 Winning the game of life. بریم.
It's not what happens to you that matters. Rather, what you do when things happen that is important. Do you think that a winner might have a different attitude when confronted with situations than those who don't make it? Absolutely. To be a winner, you must first have a winner's how can I do it attitude. Most people say that when things get better, their attitude will change. I'm here to tell you that until you acquire and master the powerful weapon of a how can I do it attitude, things will be the same. The change needs to come from you first. Make the move. Start instilling and practicing a winning attitude, and you will start to win the game of life. As long as you always get up one more time than you fall, you will still be standing up, won't you? You don't have a chance of winning if you remain on your back. Can you win a boxing match with your back on the mat? The only way to win is to get back up again and stand another chance. The only way to win is to ask, how can I do this? How can I land my KO? Peace. What's up everybody, Kevin Abdurrahman here. We're recording Winning the Game of Life audio at Oxygen Studio. Big ups to Misak, thanks for your help.